Hi everyone! Wait. Is that a new haircut? The barber always does it better than me, so we have to do with that. But it has been a while, I know, and this is a day that I've been very excited about because today's the day I'm gonna finally give you guys an upgrade in the visibility for the videos of my channel. And how are we going to do that? You see it right after the intro. Okay, so how am I going to give you a visibility upgrade with a new camera? I've been scouring the internet for quite some time. I've eventually stumbled upon one of the cameras, the one that I have right here, right now. And I kept coming back to this same camera. So without further ado, here is it. The Sony a6400. I opted for the one with the kit lens with the 18 to 130 millimeter, 35 millimeter lens. So I can also make nice shots in when I'm on vacation or on holiday. So that's really nice. Today I'm gonna do an unboxing and give you a little bit of an overview of the camera itself. It can record in 4K 30 FPS or 4K 24 FPS, and it can record full HD up to 120 frames per second. So that is nice for me because then I also can do nice B-roll shots in slow motion. So I'm very excited about this, and let's see what's all inside the box and do the unboxing and then give you a general overview of it. So let's go. Okay, so here we are, unboxing mode. I have the camera in front of me, as you can see. So let's open it up and see what's inside. First we find all the instructions, warranty manuals, 1 year extended warranty, as you can see. I will register my product later. Okay, I'm gonna put this to the side for now. And here we have all the accessories. I'll take out the camera as last. So first we find the neck strap with the Alpha branding on it. We have a charger. It's only charging through the camera, so that sucks a little bit, but that's all right. So we have our power and we have a USB port. It also comes with the USB to micro USB cable. So you plug this in and then you can charge it through your camera. Here we find the battery. As you can see, it's NP-FW50. So we have a viewfinder cap, or how do you call it? Here we have the lens. Oh wait, I forgot one spot. Okay. So we have a UK plug and a EU plug. All right. And this must be the camera. So let me make some room here. All right, first we go through the lens. We have this sun cap, or I don't know how you call it. I'm no camera expert, but you get what I mean. And here we have the 18 to 135 lens. As you can see, so it's not too heavy, so that's nice if I ever want to take this outside. And here we have it, the Sony a6400. Oh, I'm so excited, guys, because the camera I'm recording on right now, it gives me such a headache sometimes, so this is gonna make my workflow a lot easier. Okay, so general features. It has a flip out screen, as you can see. It's quite the contraption, but I like that really much. So also we have here on the side, we have a micro USB, we have a mini HDMI, and we have a mic jack for an external microphone. Right now I am recording my sound through my phone, then I have to rearrange it in post, so this will make my life so much easier, guys, you have no idea. So that's also really great. Yeah, let's put this thing together. Slides right on there. Okay. The battery, I hope it has charge, because in 1 second I should have where is it? Spare SD card. Let's put that in also. Okay, so the battery is in and SD card's in. Oh man, look at that sensor. It's an aps-c camera, and it has a Sony E-mount, as you can see here on the top. So that's really nice. Come on, focus. Focus! Okay. Let's see. It has some weight to it because of the lens. The body itself is lighter than the lens because, yeah, of course, it's a lot of glass. But okay, let's see. Turn it on. And of course, it has no battery. That's no problem because I ordered some extras and I charged those, so that's all fine by me. So try 2. Here we go. Okay, so it prompts me with a setup. I'm quickly gonna run through this and then give you some of the features, and I'll give you some shots with it as well. So I'll be right back, and yeah, I'm so excited about this. Okay, so I've set everything up. It took me a little bit longer since I'm new to the Sony ecosystem. But hey, here we are. Let's talk a little bit about the specs of this thing. It has a Sony E-mount. This means that you can use other Sony lenses as well, also from the full frame cameras. This isn't a full frame, this is an aps-c sensor. It has a crop factor of 1.5, so it enlarges the image by half. So keep that in mind if you're looking for lenses that could fit on here. It crops the image by 1.5. For photo, it has a 24.2 megapixel sensor, and it can shoot up to 11 frames per second, which is quite fast. I don't know, it has an electronic shutter, so I don't know if I can show it to you right now. As you can see, it goes quite fast. It's still writing them, so that doesn't really matter. For video, as I've already said, it's 4K 30 or 4K 24. With the 4K 30 it crops it a little bit. It is a 6K sensor, but it downscales the image to 4K, so it gives you a little bit more detail in your compositions. Also, it's full HD, 120 frames per second, so you can make nice B-roll shots, or in slow motion, in nature, whatever you can think about. The minimum ISO for this camera is 100, and the maximum ISO is 102,400. But I can show that to you. If I put it on 102,400, the image is basically just white, so you hardly ever use that. For the shutter speed, the fastest setting is 250 microseconds, and the slowest setting is 30 seconds. So if you want to do long exposure shots, you can go up to 30 seconds, which is also really great. For autofocus points on this camera, it has 225 autofocus points across the entire screen. And talking about the screen, it's a 3-inch touch screen, but it only works for autofocus. It doesn't work in the menus, so that's kind of a bummer, but hey. For the connections, we have here on the side, we have this flip out thing. On the top we have a micro USB. Beneath that there's micro HDMI and a 3.5mm jack. This jack plug is for the microphone, so you can use an external microphone. If you would use the hot shoe right here, then what you can do is you plug in your shotgun mic and link it to the side. And if you use a Sony shotgun mic, you can see it that there are connectors within the hot shoe. So that's also quite nice. The only disadvantage about this is that when you use the flip out screen, your mic will be located right here, so you can't really see your screen anymore. So you have to buy a cage or anything so that you can move your microphone. It also has up to Wi-Fi 4, so you can easily share your pictures to your phone and then post them to social media. And it has a built-in Bluetooth 4.1 with NFC. So just simply tap your camera with NFC and you can automatically grab the pictures that you want and easily upload them to your social media, and eventually post the other pictures after you've done some post-processing when you get home. It also has a built-in flash. I'm not sure if I will ever use that, but as you can see, it is a little bit capable, but hey, better have it than not, right? Now let's do a comparison between this camera and my new one. So let me set some things up and I'll be right back. Okay, so I have now both cameras right here. I have basically the same settings as far as I could set them. So what I'm gonna show you now is the comparison between in image quality between the two of them. Right here I have my old camera, the Panasonic Lumix FZ or FZ 100, and over there I have the Sony a6400 with the 18 to 155 kit lens. And as you can see, this one is a lot more saturated. It looks like I'm sweating, but I'm not. And as you can see on the Sony one, it looks really great. I'm gonna give you a sound comparison right now between the two of them. I'm recording it right now externally. Eventually I will record it directly to the video on my Sony camera, but right now I am recording it through my PC. So what we have here is the sound of the Panasonic, my old camera, and it's not really great. Right now we're switching to the camera of the Sony a6400, and I'm not a big of a fan of internal microphones, so I will eventually buy a lavalier mic or a shotgun mic for that camera as well, for if I'm outside vlogging or whatever. I'm not sure if I will ever post those videos on my channel, but eventually I want to go to Gamescom or whatever. I wanted to go there this year, but it got cancelled because of Corona. So maybe better luck next year. But now you know the sound quality of the internal mic. The only downside of the mounting spot on the a6400, and I will show you through my old one, it is that the hot shoe, it is located right here. It is in front of your screen. So I will have to buy another mount for that, so that I can mount the microphone on the side or over here, so that I still can see the display. Okay, so with everything out of the way, I finally could plug in my microphone into the camera, so that I don't have to do some post magic in Premiere Pro. Before I continue, I want to do a massive shout out to all my friends and family who supported me, gave me money for my birthday, and support me in any way possible so that I could buy this camera. I'm super excited about it. It makes my workflow a lot easier. So thanks to all you guys, and I can't express how grateful I am. So with that out of the way, there's only one more thing to do, and that is, if you haven't subscribed yet, make sure you do that, because I'm gonna make more videos now because of this camera, and it makes me it makes it a lot easier. Leave a comment down below what gear you use. Maybe you use the same one as well, so let me know. I'd like to hear more about it. And make sure you drop a like if you like this video. And as always, I see you guys. Bye bye.